If you've ever gone snorkeling in Florida or the Caribbean or Hawaii, you may have experienced this weird, itchy, painful sensation after leaving the water. And scientists finally think they know why that happens. This stinging water phenomenon is well known among locals and among jellyfish experts because it's often associated with the presence of upside-down jellyfish. Unlike jellyfish most people are familiar with, which float with their bells up towards the surface of the water, upside-down jellyfish are upside down and sit on the ocean floor with their frilly arms facing up. Although they look like tentacles, these arms are actually used to bring in food for the jellyfish. So they have these tiny pores all the way up and down their legs that the jellyfish are able to suck nutrients into. Upside-down jellyfish do share one big commonality with other types of jellyfish, and that is that they make a whole lot of mucus. Researchers wondered if the stinging water phenomenon could be connected to the clouds of mucus exuded by these jellyfish on the seafloor. So they collected some of the mucus, threw it under the microscope, and found these tiny spheres that are coated with stinging cells found inside the jellyfish itself. These stinging cells let out this long string that, when it makes contact with either a passing swimmer or a tiny brine shrimp, will let loose venom that will irritate the skin of a human, but can actually kill a brine shrimp, which they like to eat. The jellyfish don't have the means to aim these tiny stinging cells at anything, but the balls themselves do have cilia on their surfaces, which are tiny hair-like structures that wave in the water and move the cells around. So once they're released, they move around on their own, swirling on all different directions and make contact with things passing by. The researchers also looked at 4 related species of jellyfish and found that they also have these tiny deployable stinging cells, which might mean that other jellyfish have them as well. As someone who has personally swum through a patch of stinging water, let me say it's in your best interest not to snorkel through any clouds of mucus exuded by nearby jellyfish.